Hello everyone! Good morning! Officially, it is summer season na and today is a very long weekend holiday. So, ito yung date na ibunok namin yung dalawang anak namin na nag-aaral sa Laguna to go here in Puerto Princesa. And for today, ang aming itinerary is going to the famous and one of the seven wonders of the world. Siyempre, ito ang kilalang underground river. By the way guys, it will be a DIY tour. So, if napapanood nyo yung mga ibang travel vlog namin, mapapansin nyo na most of them ay DIY tour. Kasi as much as possible, gusto namin maging practical at isa pa doon ay mahawakan namin yung oras namin. Kasi minsan, usually pag may travel agent tayo, lagi tayong joiner. So, as much as possible, if kaya, ginagawa namin tong DIY. So anyway, if magdi-DIY tour din kayo katulad ng ginawa namin, reminder lang guys na kailangan nyo muna mag-secure ng permit at least a day before or at least 2 to 3 days kasi ganun ang ginawa ko sa mismong office ng Puerto Princesa Subterranean River located sa mismong town ng Puerto Princesa. Madali siyang mahanap guys, isasakay ka lang ng tricycle, sabihin mo lang, or if may sarili kang sasakyan, i-waze mo lang, madali siyang makita. And by the way, if family kayo na pupunta sa underground river, okay lang na isa na lang yung representative katulad na ako lang pumunta as long as nadala nyo lahat ng soft copy ng ID ng mga kasama nyo. And just tell to the office or to the representative kung kailan yung exact date na pagpunta nyo. And if hindi naman kayo family, group of friends lang, it is a must na kailangan pumunta personally, bringing your own ID. Tapos, may fee yan, nakalagay naman, naka-indicate na siya. If adult kayo ay 500 pesos, pag below 21 years old is only 150 pesos. Pero hindi nyo dun babayaran. Babayaran nyo yung mga different kind of fees dun mismo sa Sabang Port. So, ang main entry na pagpunta natin is sa Sabang Port. Yun muna yung unang drop off na kailangan natin puntahan para mag-secure ng clearance and to pay lahat ng kailangan nating bayaran. Kasi may different kind of fees pa, hindi lang yung entrance fee mismo. So, sa biyahe naman, more or less 1 hour and 25 minutes ang magiging biyahe from the town going to sa mismong Sabang Port. Yun ang ipipin sa Waze kung naka-private sa nasasakyan ka. If wala naman, may public transport na makikita sa Irawan, Terminal Irawan. Pero be mindful na meron tong specific na oras ng pag-alis at pagbalik. So, dapat makuha mo yun o makapagpa-reserve ka na agad kasi mahirap talaga ang sasakyan dito. Limited lang. So, pagdating mo sa mismong Sabang Port, malawak yung parking area niya. So, may makikita ka ring different kind of shop dyan. May mga kainan. So, kung hindi ka pa nakakakain, pwede mo nang kayong kumain dyan ng light snack. Kasi kami naman, nag-drive-thru na lang kami sa Bida Ang Saya para to have our at least early breakfast namin. Since hindi nga kami naka-travel agency, so kasi pag travel agency, included na yung mismong van ng pick up at drop off, saka yung including na yung food. Eh kami hindi nga, since DIY kami. So pagdating mo sa office, may mga ganyan, may mga signage siya, dyan ka magkukuha ng number, tapos bibigay mo lang, ipapresent mo yung permit na secure mo sa mismong subterranean river. So, lahat ng fees doon na babayaran sa office na yon, including yung both na 1,100 pesos, good for 6 packs. Tapos, included na rin yung hearing device na 85 pesos for each packs. Then, after nun, dadali mo dito sa mismong booth na ito na wherein nandito lahat ang mga booth na nakadock. At tapos, mag-fill up ng form. By the way, 7:30 AM pala to 2 PM lang ang underground river. Then, read the guidelines. And since maaga kami dumating, so maaga din kami nakapila. Actually, hindi ganun katagal kami nag-antay kasi after namin mag-fill up ng form, kami na agad yung next. So, agad-agad, sasakay na agad kami sa boat. At ang boat riding, more or less 15 to 20 minutes going to the main entry ng underground river. So, nafe-feel na namin yung excitement kasi unang-una ang ganda ng araw, ang ganda ng panahon today at napakakalma ng dagat. So, hindi maalon. So, na-enjoy talaga namin yung view. So, we're going to share you different kind of clips So, sana ma-enjoy nyo din katulad ng paano namin na-enjoy ang view going to the underground
Seen a
river.
lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
And we notice na mag-e-effort talaga yung bangkero na mag-segue kahit papano sa side portion ng dagat. Kasi nandito yung mismo mga different kind of rock formation. Ang ganda-ganda talaga niya, nakaka-amaze ng nature. Tapos ang linis-linis ng dagat, ang refreshing, ang ganda sa mata, napaka-nature giving talaga ng portion ng boat riding na ito. So we enjoyed it so much talaga before entering the mismo underground river. So malapit na tayo actually, pero na-enjoy talaga namin. Ang ganda talaga ng nature kasi ito talaga yung pinuntahan, napakaganda ng view. Grabe rock formation, ganda. Underground river. Dadalhin din. So, after ng boat riding, nandito na tayo sa isa sa mga entry point before going to underground river. So, ayan, may signage naman siya. More or less, additional 3-minute walk ito until ma-reach natin yung pinaka-main na underground river. And dito, manonotice natin may mga nagkalat ng mga monkey na bawal pakainin, bawal hawakan. And actually, hindi rin pwedeng magdala ng pagkain na hawak-hawak natin naka-plastic. Bawal yon kasi pwede nilang hablutin. So, nasa wild pa rin tayo ng portion ng underground river. And dito sa portion na ito, kumukuha ng helmet. So, tigi-tigisa tayong kukuha ng helmet. Itinuturo naman ng ating bangkero. So, kahit tayo walang travel agent, meron naman tayong si Kuya Bangkero na kahit papaano nag-a-assist sa atin kung anong bang gagawin. Kasi sasamahan niya tayo until ma-reach natin yung pinaka-docking portion ng bangka papuntang underground river. So, ayun, yung aming first na monkey na nakita. Ayan. So, let's see kung ano pa yung makikita natin papunta doon habang naglalakad. By the way, distinct yung number na 11, 11, 11 kasi it is November 11, 2011 kung saan ito yung araw mismo na-recognize at na-award ang Puerto Princesa Underground River as one of the 7 wonders of natures of the world. O, diba? Kasi napaka-amazing talaga ng underground river na ito wherein you can find the different kind of rock formation, limestone, ang different biodiversity niya, ang tinatawag na forest to sea na ecosystem, ang flora at fauna nito na endemic at endangered na. So, napaka ganda na magkaroon tayo ng time and effort na ma-witness natin gaano ba kaganda ang mismong river na ito kasi it is a 8 kilometer long, so ang haba niya, though hindi lahat yun ay kayang mapuntahan ng boat ng mga turista kasi kalahati lang talaga. Tapos ang river na ito ay divided into 3, so lahat naman ng information na yan maririnig natin upon playing the hearing device na ibinibigay sa bawat tourist. And yung exploration ng mismong underground river, it will took at least 20 minutes back and forth na yon. Pero, masasabi ko napaka memorable sa akin itong tour na ito kasi ang ganda talaga niya, yung vibe na binibigay as in talagang close to nature. So I will just sharing to you different kind of clips, so sana ma-enjoy nyo rin tulad ng paano namin na-enjoy yung pagpasok at pag-navigate ng mismong bangkero sa loob ng underground river.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling.
Grabe, daming ganun. But,
Nga nga. Wow. Nagagawa. Batman nandito.
Kalahati lang. Shucks, ganda.
Nahahawa pa.
Shucks, ganda. Shucks, ganda. Shucks, ganda. Ganda.
Thanks, finally, we made it.
Wow. And that's it. We're done sa ating underground river na napaka worth it at highly recommendable sa lahat ng mga tourists na pumupunta dito sa Puerto Princesa. At paglabas naman natin, may portion dito na kung saan na pwede nating bilhin ang mga pictures na kinuha ng mga photographer na nasa loob. So more or less nasa 200 something yun o 200 lang. So kami kinuha namin ay 3 picture na nagustuhan namin kasi worth it naman at tulong na rin sa mga locals dito. And ito yung sample ng picture na nakuha namin. And pagbalik naman dito sa Sabang Port ay marami kang makikitang different shop na merong tindang mga different kind of souvenirs, different merch, different pasalubong na pwede nating bilhin para namang may remembrance after going here in underground river. At if nagugutom naman, may mga portion na tindahan na pwede kang kumain ng snacks or lunch mo o ano man. Pero kami naman ay hindi dito magla-lunch. So, we decided to find another place to eat at to enjoy our lunch. So, before going to our lunch, we decided na mag-stop over muna sa isang usual na stop over ng mga travel agency na isang view deck na madadaanan along the way naman. So, wala naman siyang entrance fee. So, nag-drop by na din kami. And anyway, let's compare naman kung ano ba ang expenses, difference ng expenses between DIY tour versus travel agency. So, if magta-travel agency ka, basically 2,000 per pax, more or less yan. So, if apat kami, more or less, 8,000 yung babayaran namin. Including na lahat yan, wala ka nang babayaran. Kasama niya yung lunch buffet nila. While kami naman, ang expenses namin is 3,700 pesos, including yung gas namin. So, hindi kasama yung lunch. So, if i-add natin yung lunch natin, more or less, nasa 400 pesos per pax yan. So, in total, estimated, makakasave tayo ng 2,000 to 2,600 pesos if pipili na ating mag-DIY. So, it's up to you guys kung ano yung mas pipiliin nyo. Kasi naman, pag travel agency, ang binibigay naman nun ay hassle-free at comfort. While kami naman, since DIY yun, more practical, budget-friendly, hawak mo yung oras mo. At the same time, ay nandun yung adventure ng pagdi-DIY o, diba? So, mas prefer talaga namin yon. So, that's it guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung tour na ito and hoping na na-enjoy nyo rin and see you for our next vlog kasi may continuation pa rin naman ang pag-explore natin sa Puerto Princesa. So, see you guys on our next location and please don't forget to subscribe and like na rin. Thank you!